Cycle time performance is one of the most critical KPIs in the industry today, also known as throughput and touch time. We measure it by number of days and also by labor hours produced per day. Sherwin-Williams Automotive Finishes has developed a cycle time reduction workshop that allows you to understand and implement and execute 10 absolutes of cycle time reduction. The HP Refinish process allows us to produce zero-day cars, same-day deliveries, thereby reducing cycle time and improving touch time.